Lesson: Automated compliance monitoring in cloud environments. Automated compliance monitoring in cloud environments is an essential facet of contemporary cloud security management, particularly as organizations increasingly rely on cloud services to store and process sensitive data. The integration of artificial intelligence into automated compliance systems enhances the ability to manage and mitigate risks while ensuring adherence to regulatory standards. This lesson explores the practical tools, frameworks, and techniques that professionals can employ to optimize compliance monitoring, addressing the challenges of cloud environments with actionable insights. Automated compliance monitoring leverages AI and machine learning to analyze vast amounts of data and identify deviations from compliance norms. Traditional compliance methods, which often rely on manual processes, are not only time-consuming but also prone to human error. The dynamic nature of cloud environments further complicates manual compliance efforts as the cloud infrastructure continuously evolves with changes in resource configurations and user access patterns. Automating these processes allows organizations to maintain real-time compliance, responding swiftly to potential threats, and ensuring that security policies align with regulatory requirements. One practical tool for automated compliance monitoring is AWS Config, a service that provides AWS resource inventory, configuration history, and configuration change notifications to enable security and governance. AWS Config continuously evaluates the configurations of AWS resources against desired configurations stated in AWS Config rules. By employing AI-driven analytics, AWS Config can detect compliance violations in real time, allowing security teams to address issues promptly and reduce the risk of breaches. The integration of AWS Config with other AWS security services, such as AWS CloudTrail and Amazon GuardDuty, further enhances its capabilities, providing a comprehensive security monitoring solution. Azure Policy is another example of a cloud-native tool that enforces compliance policies across Azure resources. It uses AI algorithms to assess resource configurations continuously, ensuring adherence to organizational standards. Azure Policy allows organizations to create custom policies tailored to their specific compliance requirements, providing flexibility and control over their cloud environments. By automating the enforcement of these policies, Azure Policy reduces the administrative burden on IT teams and minimizes the risk of non-compliance due to misconfigurations. The application of AI in compliance monitoring extends beyond cloud-native tools. Third-party solutions, such as Splunk and IBM QRadar, offer advanced analytics and threat detection capabilities. Splunk uses ML algorithms to analyze machine-generated data from diverse sources, providing insights into compliance status and identifying anomalies that may indicate security threats. Similarly, IBM QRadar employs AI-driven correlation and pattern recognition to detect suspicious activities and potential non-compliance incidents. These tools enable organizations to monitor hybrid and multi-cloud environments, ensuring consistent compliance across different platforms. A critical aspect of automated compliance monitoring is the implementation of frameworks that guide the development and deployment of monitoring solutions. The Center for Internet Security provides a set of benchmarks and controls that organizations can use to ensure compliance with industry standards. These benchmarks offer a structured approach to configuring and managing cloud resources securely, serving as a foundation for automated compliance monitoring tools. By integrating CIS benchmarks into their monitoring strategies, organizations can enhance their security posture and streamline compliance efforts. The National Institute of Standards and Technology Cybersecurity Framework is another valuable resource for developing automated compliance monitoring strategies. The NIST framework outlines best practices for identifying, protecting, detecting, responding to, and recovering from cybersecurity threats. It provides a comprehensive approach to risk management, emphasizing the importance of continuous monitoring and automated threat detection in maintaining compliance. Organizations can leverage the NIST framework to align their automated compliance monitoring initiatives with broader cybersecurity objectives, ensuring a cohesive and effective security strategy. Implementing automated compliance monitoring in cloud environments involves several key steps. First, organizations must define clear compliance objectives based on regulatory requirements and internal security policies. This involves identifying the specific regulations that apply to the organization, such as GDPR, HIPAA, or PCI DSS, and determining the controls necessary to meet these requirements. Next, organizations should select appropriate tools and frameworks that align with their compliance objectives. This includes evaluating cloud-native solutions, third-party tools, and industry frameworks to determine the best fit for their specific needs. Once the tools and frameworks are in place, organizations should configure their monitoring systems to capture relevant data and generate actionable insights. This involves setting up alerts and notifications for compliance violations, ensuring that security teams can respond to incidents in a timely manner. The use of AI and ML algorithms is crucial in this step, as they enable the automated analysis of large datasets, identifying patterns and anomalies that may indicate compliance breaches. Regular testing and validation of automated compliance monitoring systems are essential to ensure their effectiveness. Organizations should conduct periodic audits and assessments to verify that their monitoring solutions are functioning as intended and that they are capable of detecting and responding to compliance violations. This involves evaluating the accuracy of AI algorithms, reviewing alert configurations, and assessing the overall performance of the monitoring systems. In conclusion, automated compliance monitoring in cloud environments is a vital component of modern cloud security management. By leveraging AI and ML technologies, organizations can enhance their ability to maintain compliance with regulatory standards, reduce the risk of security breaches, and streamline their compliance efforts. Practical tools such as AWS Config, Azure Policy, Splunk, and IBM QRadar offer valuable capabilities for monitoring compliance across cloud and hybrid environments. Frameworks like the CIS benchmarks and the NIST cybersecurity framework provide structured approaches to developing and deploying automated compliance monitoring solutions. By following a systematic approach to implementing these tools and frameworks, organizations can achieve real-time compliance monitoring, ensuring that their cloud environments remain secure and compliant in an ever-evolving threat landscape.